If you want to crop a video in CapCut quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to crop your video step by step so you can reframe your footage, remove unwanted edges, and get the perfect shot for your project. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project if you haven't already. Import the video you want to edit, then drag it down onto the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on the video so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit before the crop tools appear. Now look at the toolbar just above the editing panel and timeline. You should see the crop icon there. Click on it and CapCut will open a crop window for your selected video. This is where you can adjust exactly what part of the frame you want to keep. Inside the crop window, you'll see white handles around the video. Drag those handles to reframe the clip the way you want. If you want to remove extra space from the sides, top, or bottom, just move the edges inward until the composition looks right. This is especially useful if you want to focus on one subject, hide unwanted background elements, or resize your shot for a specific social media format. CapCut also gives you preset aspect ratios, which can save time if you need your video to fit a certain platform. For example, you might choose a square format for one platform, a vertical format for short-form content, or a widescreen format for standard videos. Just pick the ratio that matches your goal and CapCut will automatically adjust the crop area for you. Once you're happy with how the frame looks, click Confirm to save your changes. Your video will now be cropped on the timeline and you can continue editing as normal. If the crop doesn't look quite right, you can always go back and adjust it again before exporting. Cropping in CapCut is a really simple way to improve the look of your video fast. Whether you're cleaning up the frame, changing the focus, or preparing content for different platforms, this tool gives you a lot of control with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next one.